Hello everyone, welcome to my Kizu channel. My name is Mark and today we'll have another video for another company that give it to you dividends. I made 3 videos about dividends and that's actually the highest view. And as a lot of people say to me like is really a good company that as I said about it. I made a video about energy transfer and I made another one about I don't remember the name of it. Oh, wait a second. Yeah, let's talk this one. Yeah, BSEC. Both of them like give it to you a lot of a huge dividends percent. Like energy transfer give it to you like 14%. BSEC give it to you 12%. This company like right now, AGNC Investments, just give it to you a 9%. It's almost like at a 9.67% about dividends. Look about it. Like I invest on it like $32. I get two shares. Like for I don't remember. I get it from like 2 weeks or something, but like at 2 weeks 4%. Like as a dividends, you're trying to not lose. The target of us at the dividends, if you have any stock that being to you a lot of dividends, the amount of like the percentage is high. The main point to not lose. So this one I earn money. I earn money on that, which is good. Plus they have 9% dividend. So like 9% on like we say 32. It was 30 when I start, but now it's 32. So we're talking about like $3. If I want more, if I want to put more money, it would be keep higher, more than like if you have money, if you want to invest more a lot on it, like it's 9%. We're talking about 9%. So yeah. This one is really good. Is really good company. Look about the day, and week, and months, and 3 months. All of them like winning. Why is the problem at 1 year? But look, it's the same point. It's about COVID. It is about COVID. Like I'm completely sure it's gonna go to $19 like so fast, early, because now we used to work with COVID, so now the investments turn back with the vaccine and everything. I wish should be like better. All these investments companies gonna go back up to the point. So look, now 14% at 3 months, 2% at the last month. You're not losing. The point is not losing money until you get your dividends. So yeah, write your comment about this company if you like it. If you doesn't like it, like just tell me why. Like if you have any concern about it. See, buy is 73%, hold 27%, sell 0%. Everyone like wants to like invest on this one. So yeah, that's for today. If you have any question, write it down below. If you like this video, please hit the like to like motivate me to continue. And have a good day.